Hello everyone! Today is the first day of the Chinese Lunar New Year, the Spring Festival. This is a holiday we cherish deeply in China. It's a time when families gather to share stories from the past year and, of course, enjoy classic homemade dishes together. I've been so busy preparing for the festivities this week that I didn't have time to film a standard cooking tutorial. Instead, I've returned to my parents' home to enjoy a reunion dinner. I wanted to make this special video to share my mom's incredible culinary skills with you all. In Chinese culture, we love auspicious numbers. For example, the number 8 is believed to bring good luck, so my mom prepared exactly 8 dishes for us tonight. First dish, fish every year. In Chinese, the word for fish sounds exactly like the word for surplus. This symbolizes having a harvest that lasts throughout the year. In ancient agricultural times, people hoped for extra grain to ensure a bountiful feast for the next festival. Second dish, charcoal roasted pork. This is a staple in traditional ritual celebrations. We usually use pork belly, using charcoal to bring out that rich, aromatic fat. The result is a stunning golden brown finish that tastes as good as it looks. Third dish, poached river shrimp. We always like to include seafood in our feast. Poaching is a simple technique that highlights the natural sweetness and freshness of the shrimp. Fourth dish, braised goose in oil. Back in the day, supermarkets would close during the Spring Festival, so people made large batches of this dish to store in the fridge for several meals. Even though shops stay open now, this dish remains a beloved tradition. Fifth dish, sautéed snow peas with Chinese sausage. This sausage is a type of cured meat. Stir-frying it with vegetables perfectly fuses the smoky aroma of the pork with the crisp freshness of the greens. Sixth dish, lettuce with soy sauce. In Cantonese, the word for lettuce sounds like making money or growing wealth. You'll almost always find it on a New Year menu. Seventh dish, stir-fried celery. This one doesn't have a deep symbolic meaning, we just happen to have some very fresh celery in the kitchen. However, its vibrant green color makes it a perfect addition to the table. Eighth dish, braised fish maw with sea cucumber. This is the star of tonight's show. My mom told me it took 3 whole days just to rehydrate the fish maw. Both ingredients are packed with collagen, which is great for your skin and joints. Finally, I want to wish you all a healthy and prosperous new year. I hope you'll follow and subscribe to my channel. In the coming year, I'll continue to share more authentic Asian recipes with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.